Horses out, we have Angel Eunice. Past the begin, moving up on the outside now is Find Happiness. In between horses, moving up now is Spin Cycle. But it's still Angel Eunice by about 2 lengths. Spin Cycle in second, alongside third, Find Happiness. Then followed by Platinum Garden, Danari inside, Prolic, Magic Mings, Perfect Choice, and out of sight. They swing into the back. And it's still Angel Eunice by about 3 lengths this time. Spin Cycle remains in second. Prolic in third. Find Happiness moving up on the outside. Platinum Garden. Perfect Choice now rushing up by the rail. Then comes Magic Ming set out of sight. And it's still Angel Eunice by about 3 lengths. Spin Cycle remains in second. Perfect Choice now trying to get closer in third. And moving up, Find Happiness. Magic Mix, Danori inside, Prolic out of sight, and Platinum Garden. And it's still Angel Eunice by about 5 lengths. Find Happiness moving up to take second, running by the release, Perfect Choice as they come down at the last 150. And it's still Angel Eunice, Find Happiness, Perfect Choice is running by the rail, but it's still Angel Eunice, Find Happiness is on the outside. Angel Eunice, Find Happiness is on the outside. Angel Eunice, Find Happiness remains in second. Perfect Choice, then comes Magic Minx.
Angel